According to the Ukraine Foreign News Agency on Friday, Ukrainian President ولادیمیر Zelensky said his country stands ready to resume talks on settling the conflict with Russia after Russian forces return to the positions they held before February 24th. He emphasized that not all the bridges for peace talks with Russia have been destroyed. Meanwhile, Ukrainian Deputy Prime Minister Irina Vereshchuk said the two countries conducted another prisoner exchange Friday. A total of 41 Ukrainian war prisoners, including 13 civilians, returned home. Vereshchuk also said on Friday, Ukraine evacuated 50 civilians from the Azovstal plant in the besieged city of Mariupol. According to Ukraine's presidential office head Andriy Yermak, Ukraine had evacuated about 500 civilians from Mariupol.